The f function is the outside function. G of x is the inside, f is the outside, okay? Now, this is going to go, you're going to, and listen to what I say as I write this down, because when I do this, when I do the derivatives, like if you get in the habit of saying this, okay, you take the derivative of the outside function, leave the inside function alone, and multiply it by the derivative of the inside. And that's your chain. You take the derivative of the outside function, leave the inside alone, and multiply it times the derivative of the inside. Okay, the leave the inside alone is the hardest part. People want to think, they think they have to change it. All right, you don't. The derivative of the outside, leave the inside alone, multiply it times the derivative of that inside, and that's your chain. Okay, so that's what the rule looks like on in the textbook. Okay, now let's implement this. Do some examples here. Let's suppose I've got f of x, and let's say we've got an x squared plus a 1 raised to the third power. All right, now clearly I have an inside and an outside. My inside is x squared plus 1. My outside is something being raised to the third power. All right, so the outside function is power, so power rule. So when I start my derivative, f prime of x, I'm going to pull the 3 down in front. That's power rule. That's how we take the derivative. We pull the 3 down in front. We leave the inside alone, so I didn't touch the inside. I subtract 1 from the exponent, and then I multiply it times the derivative of the inside function. And that's the chain. So I did power rule. I pulled the 3 down in front. I left the inside alone. I subtracted 1 and then multiplied it by the derivative of the inside. Okay, so 3x squared plus 1 to the second stays the same. Taking the derivative down of x squared plus 1 is just 2x. All right, now clean it up. 3 times 2x, I can put that out in front, make it look a little nicer. 6x, x squared plus 1 to the second power. All right, so that's a chain rule with the power rule.